Concealed carry is about so much more than just spending money on overpriced gadgets for your Instagram EDC. Sorry. As a firearms instructor, I get so tired of seeing beautifully curated EDC setups from guys who can't actually shoot. So in the spirit of that, here are 3 gadgets that will actually make you a better shooter. Let's do it. What is up, guys, and welcome back to Modern Protector, where we talk about the skills, the tools, and the mindset that you need to protect yourself and your family. So what are the 3 gadgets and how do they actually make you a better shooter? The first is a cert pistol. A cert pistol is a training gun that shoots a laser when you pull the trigger. Regular dry fire practice will make one of the biggest differences in improving your handgun skills. You can just use your unloaded everyday carry gun, and you can even get one of those laser cartridges for dry fire, and that's great. But then you have to actually break your concentration by racking the slide every single time, and you can only basically practice your draw to first shot. A cert pistol, on the other hand, allows you to practice patterns because you can pull the trigger over and over and over and see where your shots are going. And you can do this safely from almost anywhere without any risk because it's not a real gun. I've been using the Mantis Titan X, which honestly is so much more than just a cert pistol, and I know that I'm not using it to its full potential with the other Mantis technology that they have. This one actually comes with weighted magazines so that you can change mags, and it allows you to mount an optic just like on a carry pistol. Which brings us to the second thing that will help make you a better shooter, which is a red dot. Stick with me, I'll tell you why. And make sure you stick around to the end because the last one is one of the most important things to help you win a gunfight. Now, I know that there can be this huge stigma with red dots, and I'm not at all suggesting just by buying a red dot and plopping it on your everyday carry gun, you will just magically become a better shooter overnight.
Well, it don't work out that way.
But with regular practice, a red dot can really help you gain a lot of speed and have clearer focus on your target. Not only with your first shot, but with getting follow-up shots and getting hits at a greater distance consistently. I know they're not super cheap, but they are definitely worth it. So what is the last one that can make the biggest difference in winning a gunfight? Before we get to that, if you are new to concealed carry and you feel like you're just guessing your way through this process, then I've got something that will really help you out. This is exactly what I wish I had when I first started concealed carry. My concealed carry starter kit is a short, practical guide that basically walks you through how to set up your carry gear the right way so that it's safe, it's comfortable, and you're actually prepared for self-defense encounters. It helps you skip all the things that I've learned from doing things the wrong way. If you want to carry comfortably and actually be prepared to protect yourself, then check it out in the link down below. So what is the gadget that can make the biggest difference in winning a gunfight? A shot timer. One of the biggest determining factors in a gunfight is the enemy that no one talks about: time. Whoever gets good hits on the other guy first usually wins the gunfight.
If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about?
Accuracy is super important, but it's just as important to be first. So how do you get faster at anything? You measure your speed. A shot timer gives you a random beep and measures your draw to first shot time and the time between each shot you take. The only way to work on your speed is to measure it and work on improving it every time. The timer doesn't lie. A shot timer gives you another metric to track so that you are ready to draw quickly and go to work. I use the Zohan shot timer and it is super easy to use. My daughter can easily operate this at the range and she runs it for me all the time. So what is your favorite gadget that helped improve your shooting skills? And do you have one of these? Let me know in the comments down below. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.